Hey guys, welcome back to your Plantigo. I'm Ro, and today we are talking about grafting versus air layering, which is the easiest and effective way for your gardening journey. Many people ask, which one is better, grafting or air layering? Let's explain it in a simple words. Grafting means joining a branch from one plant onto another plant, so they grow as one. It's like a plant surgery. If we are talking about the good side, you can grow fruits faster, make the plant stronger, and even grow two types of fruits on one tree. Imagine one tree giving both mango and lemon. That's possible with grafting. But the hard part is, grafting needs skills. The cut must be clean, the timing must be right, and many times the graft doesn't work if you're a beginner. Air layering method is much easier. You just take a branch from a plant, peel a little skin, cover it with soil or moss. Keep it moist while the branch is still on the plant. Roots will start growing there. Once roots are ready, you cut the branch and plant it as a new tree. The good side, almost anyone can do it. It works most of the time. No special tools are needed, and the new plant grows fast because it already has roots. The downside, you have to wait a few weeks or even months for the roots to grow. Also, you cannot make multi-fruit trees like with grafting. So guys, which one is better? If you are a beginner, air layering is the winner. It's simple and gives quick success. If you want to try advanced gardening and grow trees with different fruits, grafting is the king. Both methods are amazing. Start with air layering to build confidence, then try grafting when you're ready for a challenge. Thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and hype my video.